Now that the framing macros are in place and the special opening rules have been applied, the next steps are to generate the panels and then generate the parts. I'll select Generate Panels. We can choose which layers we want to generate the parts for. The framing layer is on by default, and we're just going to keep the exterior sheathing as well. We can also control how the corners are going to lap. If we're going to label the panels based on the wall attributes or the wall type. And if labeling by wall type, we can control the labeling here. Using the wall attributes method, we'll use the panel label that is set in the wall properties. You can also select if you want to see the wall panels from the interior side. I'm going to click OK. We can control if we're going to use the exterior walls, interior walls, or selected walls of the same type. I'm just going to keep both of those filters active and hit Control A to select all the walls, then hit Confirm, and now I can hit Escape. The next step is to generate the framing parts. So I'll go to the Wall menu and select Generate Parts. I'm going to hit Control A again to select all the wall panels, and then hit Confirm. When the function's complete, you can hit Escape. And to take a look at the framing, we're going to switch to the 3D model, so hit F2. And we want to switch to the framing model, so I'm going to switch to the framing drawing model pair. We can use the shortcut button up in the top left, open drawing model pair, or hit F4 on the keyboard. And I'm going to select the first level wall framing. And here we can see our framing and sheathing layout. I'll do a zoom extents, and then we can rotate that model by pressing down on the mouse wheel and moving the mouse around. We can also zoom in and out by rolling the mouse wheel. You can also edit the framing model. If you select a piece, you can edit the piece by moving it, moving one of the endpoints. You can also copy a piece. If I select a piece, right click, we can select Copy, select a reference point, constrain in a direction, and then enter a distance. If you select a piece, right click on the endpoint, you'll have some trimming functions available. When you've completed any final modifications to the panels, you can then generate the panel drawings. To do that, we can go to the Output tab, go to Open Panel Drawing menu, and select Create Panel Drawing. Then hit Control A to select all the panels and hit Confirm. Here we can select which panel template we want to use. I'll stick with the wall panel 11 by 17 and click OK. When done, I'm going to hit Control S to save the project. And now you can select a panel, right click, and select Open Panel Drawing. So here you can see your panel elevation with the parts labeled, both the framing and the sheathing parts. We have automatic dimensions, your framing cut list, your sheathing cut list, as well as other general information about the panel.